Are you struggling with reading and writing for an assignment? Do you dread studying for a test? Is writing a paper unbearable? You're not alone in your struggle. Some folks who experience visual impairment, have a learning disability or ADHD, or are learning English as a second language should be aware of software that IUP has had for years. IUP offers a software program to ease your misery. Read&Write is award-winning literacy support software from Texthelp. Any IUP student can access the program on campus. The Read&Write program can assist students in many ways. If you're struggling to read or you have trouble staying focused, many times it is more helpful to listen and watch text as it's being read to you, or you can choose to just listen and not follow along on the screen. Inside the Read&Write software, there's a tool called text-to-speech. It uses a computer-generated voice to read digital text aloud as it's being highlighted on the screen for you. Read&Write has tools that can convert material into digital text so that the computer can read it out loud to you. Read&Write allows you to scan a picture of hard copy text from either a book or a handout from a professor. If you're more tech savvy, you can use your phone or other mobile devices to upload pictures to the software to be read aloud to you. For students who are more active and don't want to be tied to a computer screen, the program offers the ability to convert audio files into MP3 files, which you can then take on the go. Whether you're in the car, riding a bike, or even running, you now have more choices on where you listen. For students who type slowly or are better at voicing their thoughts compared to typing papers and assignments, there's a great tool which allows you to use an inexpensive microphone. The computer will listen to your voice and the software types for you. Another tool for students is to listen to what they write instead of having to re-examine their ideas by rereading. The Speak as I Write software allows a student to listen to their writing, which can help with self-editing and correction work before an assignment is submitted. So now you have a better understanding about what Read&Write can do for you and how it is useful. Read&Write has other free literacy tools, and if you're interested in learning more about how to use Read&Write, please contact IUP's Disability Support Services Office or visit our website.